Lately, my feed has been full of these cartoon-to-live action videos. Super nostalgic, yet powered by modern AI. Pretty amazing, right? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these cartoon-to-realistic live-action videos from scratch. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the character. First, we need to build our realistic character to keep everything visually consistent. Head over to AI Image, Image Generate, Reference Image, choose GPT Image 2, upload your cartoon character, and paste in this prompt. Transform this cartoon character into a cute but ultra-realistic live-action version. Add any extra details based on your specific character design. Set your aspect ratio, hit Generate, and there's your realistic character. Step 3. Generate the scene. Next, let's break down the scenes. Import your original cartoon clip into the timeline. Right-click and choose Smart Editing, Auto Cut. By scene, then set it to Fine Split Level. Edimakor will automatically split your video into individual scenes. Now, grab one representative frame from each scene. Go back to Image Generate, upload both the frame and your realistic character image, then enter this prompt. Set your resolution, hit Generate. You'll instantly get a high-quality, realistic version of the scene. Repeat this process for every scene until you've built your full set of assets. Step 4. Generate the video. Now go to AI Video, Image to Video. Pick your preferred model. I'm using Seedance 2.0 for this tutorial. Import your realistic scenes one by one. For each scene, enter the prompt describing your character's motion based on the original animation. Adjust the duration to match the reference footage and turn off Generate Audio. Then hit Generate. Repeat this process for the remaining scenes. In just a moment, your realistic video clips will be ready. Step 5. Editing and export. Once all your clips are ready, drag them into the editing timeline. Trim, crop, and fine-tune as needed. Adjust your canvas size, then stitch your original cartoon footage together with the new realistic scenes. And that's it. Your cartoon-to-live action video is complete. When exporting, don't forget to post it on social media. Use #Edimakor AI when uploading to earn 60 free credits. Download HitPaw Edimakor, give it a try today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.